All right, welcome back on part two of custom switch for Xamarin Form. Before we left on the last video, we had a little issue where the switch is way down here and the label is way up here. And the problem, the reason for that is right here. If you notice right here, relative Y constraint, it's set to 0.08. That was a mistake in while I was copying and pasting from up here. So let's fix that. Instead of 0.08 as it was, let us now change it to 0.1, which I wanted. So now let's see what's going to happen. We're going to hit play. Okay, so we hit play, and as you notice, it is now perfect. Okay, just to show you, let us go to, if we can give the switch a background color just to show you what I'm talking about. Let's make it teal. Okay, just all right. So now that you see the label has a background color, it's not gonna stay there. I just added the background color just to show you. So now what we're going to do now is we are going back in my switch. But this time we are going to work in code behind. So we're going to switch over here, and then we're going to start adding some fields, properties, and methods. Okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in the constructor. Okay? We're going to go in the constructor, and we're going to bind it. This. And second thing we're going to do is we are going to add a tap gesture to we're going to add a tap gesture to the switch, just the switch, not the label. So what we're going to do, remember we gave the switch image a name. So now we're going to start using the name that we gave it. Let's create the tap gesture method. Tap gesture recognizer. Let's go to the tap gesture. So now we're going to, what we're going to do is now we're going to give ourselves a visual first. Okay, we're going to give ourselves a visual. So whenever we tap on it, we're going to pop up an alert. Just for now, so that we know that it is working. Display alert. Okay. Alerted. Oops. I am now alerted. Okay. And we're going to go with OK. We're going to close that. Close the tap gesture. Okay. Align this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the tap gesture to our image. Oops. So type it in. Okay. Hit save. And we play. we got ourselves an error. What did, oh, forgot to put my quotation mark. All right, now let's see what we do. Another one. Rookie. Here we go. Hopefully no more errors this time. Let us know. Okay, so it's loaded, and we're going to click on the button, just the button. Now we are alerted. Click it. Now we're going to try clicking on the label. See, if we click on the label itself, nothing happens. We actually have to click on the switch button itself, and we are alerted. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to we're going to stop here because we want to keep the video short. And on the next video, we're going to make sure that when we click on it, it actually turns to on. So now every time we click on it, all we have is the alert. When we click on it on the next video, when we click on it, it's first we're going to get a visual alteration. It's going to change to the on image. Okay. Well, this is it for the second video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Right, but first, before we do anything, what we're going to do is we're going to go to my switch, and we actually have to give it a height. Okay, height request is equal to pay this no mind. Okay, now let's run it again. It's gonna run. Here we go. This is what it looks like, but don't worry. In the next video, we're going to fix that. Okay, so hang tight. On the next video, we're gonna fix that real quick.